Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare BMW X5 versus Model Y full comparison. Start by focusing on what matters most to you: driving feel, cargo practicality, and ownership costs. I will guide you through acceleration, range, interior comfort, and technology differences, and explain how each vehicle fits different lifestyles. By the end, you should know which model aligns best with commuting, family use, or towing needs, and what trade-offs to expect. In this video, I will compare BMW X5 versus Model Y full comparison. Look closely at power delivery, handling, and usable range when deciding between them. The X5 feels heavier, but offers robust towing and steady highway confidence, while the Model Y brings instant torque and easy home charging, plus lower running costs. Consider how often you tow, commute distances, and charging access before choosing the right powertrain and configuration for daily life. In this video, I will compare BMW X5 versus Model Y full comparison. Quick recommendation: if you cook or meal prep, consider leak-proof containers for tidy trunk storage and easy post-drive meals. They save time, prevent spills in your cargo area, and fit neatly in center consoles or side pockets when you commute. If that sounds useful, check the description for the link and other deals. And if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will compare BMW X5 versus Model Y full comparison. I will walk you through cabin comfort, cargo capacity, and user-friendly features that affect daily usability. Expect the X5 to offer a plush ride, premium finishes, and refined noise isolation, while the Model Y delivers airy visibility, simpler controls, and versatile cargo arrangements. Think about passenger legroom, cargo loading height, and how often you need that extra space for gear or groceries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.